So I just came back from Poznan just some few minutes ago, and my friend gave me gifts for my birthday. I got a picture frame from my graduation, and I also got this body care collection. It's so nice. Like, it has shower gel, it has body lotion, it has bath cream, it has body scrub. Like, I've been wanting to buy body scrub. It has bath crystals, it also has bath soap, and there's a sponge here also. Like, this is so beautiful. I love it. This is really beautiful. This is also a top. I've tried the top and I love it, especially the color. The color is nice. I also got earrings. I also wanted to get perfume because I've been using body mist. I wanted to get perfume and now I have one. Definitely I'm still going to buy once this one is exhausted, but at least for now I have a perfume. And I have this cute notepad and a note here for me. Oh god, this are thoughtful gifts. I actually just ordered for a Bible journal online, and it's going to get here maybe this week or next week. I don't know, but this is just like a personal journal, and I really love it. I got lip gloss, so I have some pictures that are printed. So I think I need to get picture frame so that I can just, you know, put these pictures, and also I could also print out some pictures, my personal pictures, and also just put it there. And what is this? This is sounding like maybe something that I can use in the kitchen. I don't know. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh god! God, I don't even know what to say. So I got an mixer, and I'm really excited because if you know me and food, 5 and 6, I mean, I bake back in Nigeria, I bake and everything. So getting a hand mixer. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, I've been wanting to bake bread, but I did not try baking bread because I don't have a mixer. I don't want to hand mix, so I want to try baking bread, and now I have a mixer, so I can actually give it a try. I mean, I have a baking pan that I can use for the bread, but I don't have a mixer. So anything, like all the snacks I've been making, is not something that requires me using a mixer. But now I have a mixer. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh god, all these gifts, they actually thoughtful gifts, and I really appreciate every one of the gifts. I don't know, I was just shaking it, and I was thinking that, oh, this thing is sounding like something to be used in the kitchen. Like, my friends know what to get to me. What is here? Lady in red. This is a red dress. Lady in red. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this is beautiful. These are nice gifts. Oh, I love this gown. I love this gown. I love it already. Oh. Oh, and I have this beautiful pendant, this necklace, and cute earrings. Yep. Oh, these are all lovely gifts. I love every single one of my gifts. My friends, they are the best.